Hi friends, welcome to Let's Study with Ria channel. Today's topic is important days and themes of October 2021, 3rd and 4th week. Quote of the day: everything that is excellent will come when the sleeping soul is aroused to self-conscious activity. Question number 1. Every year, Jammu and Kashmir Accession Day is observed on option A 23rd October, option B 26 October, option C 27 October and option D 20 October. And your time is start now. Right answer is option B, means every year Jammu and Kashmir Accession Day is observed on 26 October. It became an official public holiday in Jammu and Kashmir for the first time in 2020 to commemorate on 26 October 1947 when Maharaja Hari Singh signed off the Instrument of Accession, in which Jammu and Kashmir joined the Dominion of India. Question number 2. Every year International Audio Visual Heritage Day is observed on option A 27th October, option B 25th October, option C 26th October, option D 21st October. Right answer is option A, means every year International Audio Visual Heritage Day is observed on 27th October, and theme of 2021 and 2020 is Your Window to the World. Theme of 2019 is Engage the Past Through Sound and Images. And this day was chosen by UNESCO, means the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, in 2005 to raise awareness of the significance and presentation risk of recorded sound and audiovisual documents. Question number 3. Every year World Animation Day is observed on option A 22nd October, option B 23rd October, option C 28th October, option D 29 October. The right answer is option C, means every year World Animation Day is observed on 28th October, and the day was created in 2002 by an International Animated Film Association, which is a member of UNESCO. Question number 4. Every year World Snow Leopard Day is observed on option A 24th October, option B 29th October, option C 23rd October, option D 25th October. Right answer is option C, means every year World Snow Leopard Day is observed on 23rd October to create awareness about conservation and preservation of snow leopards. And theme of 2020 was Secure 20 by 2020. And friends, also point to be noted, snow leopard is called man's best friend. The first International Snow Leopard Day was celebrated in 2014. And 2015 was declared as the International Year of Snow Leopard. And friends, the snow leopard's 12 range countries are Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Russia, Pakistan, Mongolia, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, India, China, Nepal, Bhutan and Afghanistan. And also point to be noted, it also commemorates the anniversary of Bishkek Declaration, because 23rd October 2013 was proclaimed as the International Snow Leopard Day at the first Global Snow Leopard Forum held in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Question number 5. Every year International Development Information Day is observed on option A 21st October, option B 27th October, option C 28th October, option D 24th October. Right answer is option D, means every year International Development Information Day is observed on 24th October. Friends, point to be noted, in 1972, the United Nations General Assembly decided to institute a World Development Information Day coinciding with United Nations Day on 24th October. And theme of 2020 was Information and Communications Technologies, New Solutions to Development Challenges. Theme of 2021 is Action for Sustainable Development Goal. Question number 6. Every year, Mole Day is observed on option A 23rd October, option B 20th October, option C 22nd October, option D 30th October. Right answer is option A, means every year Mole Day is observed on 23rd October to commemorate Avogadro's number, means 1 mole is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23, which is a basic measuring unit in chemistry. And also point to be noted, theme of 2021 is Dispica Mole Me, and theme of 2020 was Mole Zilla. Question number 7. Every year, World Stroke Day is observed on option A 21st October, option B 29th October, option C 24th October, option D 27th October. Right answer is option B, means every year World Stroke Day is observed on 29th October and established by World Stroke Organization in 2004 in Vancouver, Canada, to reduce the incidence of stroke across the world. And theme of 2021 is Minutes Can Save Lives. And also point to be noted, 2020 themes was Use a Heart to Beat Cardiovascular Disease. Question number 8. Every year, the World Psoriasis Day is observed on option A 28th October, option B 27th October, option C 29th October, option D 30th October. Right answer is option C, means every year the World Psoriasis Day is observed on 29th October by International Federation of Psoriasis Associations or IFPA from the year 2004. And the theme of 2021 means this year is Uniting for Action, and theme of 2020 was Informed. Question number 9. Every year, the International Internet Day is observed on option A 30th October, option B 23rd October, option C 28th October, option D 29th October. Right answer is option D, means every year the International Internet Day is observed on 29th October since 2005, and this day aims to honor a memorable day in the history of telecommunications and technology. This day also highlights the sending of the first electronic message, which was conveyed from one computer to another computer in the year 1969. Question number 10. Every year, United Nations Day is observed on option A 24th October, option B 23rd October, option C 22nd October, option D 21st October. Right answer is option A, means every year United Nations Day is observed on 24th October since 1948. It is an annual commemorative day reflecting the official creation of the United Nations on 24th October 1945. And theme of 2021 means this year is Building Back Together for Peace and Prosperity. And besides, 2020 theme was The Future We Want, the United Nations We Need, reaffirming our collective commitment to multilateralism. Question number 11. Every year, World Cities Day is observed on option A 30th October, option B 31st October, option C 19 October, option D 27th October. Right answer is option B, means every year World Cities Day is observed on 31st October since 2014 in Shanghai of China, and designed by the United Nations, and motto of this day is Better City, Better Life. Theme of 2021 is adapting cities for climate resilience, and besides 2020 theme was valuing our communities and cities. Question number 12. Every year World Thrift Day is observed on option A 31st October, option B 29th October, option C 23rd October, option D 25th October. Right answer is option A, means every year World Thrift Day is observed on 31st October to promote savings and financial security of individual. And also point to be noted, in India this day is celebrated on 30th October due to the death of late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1984. And theme of 2021 is understanding the importance of savings. Friends, the day of 31st October was declared as International Saving Day by Italian professor Filippo Ravizza. World Thrift Day was first established in Milan of Italy in the year 1924, and during the first International Savings Bank Congress or World Society of Savings Bank. Question number 13. Every year National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas is observed on option A 23rd October, option B 31st October, option C 29th October, option D 30th October. Right answer is option B, means every year National Unity Day or the Rashtriya Ekta Divas is observed on 31st October since 2014, and the day is marked to commemorate the birth anniversary of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Friends, now it's time to revision as one-liner for memorizing of all important days of October 3rd and 4th week. So let's start. Number 1. 23rd October is Mole Day and World Snow Leopard Day. Number 2. 24th October is World Development Information Day and United Nations Day. Number 3. 26th October is Jammu and Kashmir Accession Day. Number 4. 27th October is World Day for Audio Visual Heritage. And number 5. 28th October is World Animation Day. Number 6. 29th October is World Psoriasis Day, World Internet Day, and also World Stroke Day. And number 7. 30th October is World Savings Day in India. And number 8. 31st October is World Thrift Day, World Cities Day, and National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Friends, if you get benefits from this class, then you may subscribe the channel Let's Study with Riya and then press the bell icon to get all notifications quickly.